we're gonna try some North Korean food.
I feel like I'm eating leftovers.
The kids are excited about this. I think we're the only people who have ever tried North Korean food.
That we know of.
North Koreans don't even know what this tastes like.
What?
No.
I'm so confused.
All right, let's go have some North Korean food. Let's go.
Some interesting facts about North Korean food is that they mainly eat pork, and then the second comes rabbit or goat. So it is actually, it makes sense because they don't have like a huge farming thing there with animals. They just kind of slaughter the animals that they have. In general, less spicy and more sour.
Which we will try here. We'll see if that's true.
Yeah, but we start off with some corn and potato. Usually the poor man's food. And they also gave us some grapefruit water.
Yes, try the soup. It's cold.
Cold soup. I'm not a fan of cold soup. I feel like I'm eating leftovers that I didn't have a microwave to, and I'm eating cold soup. It's a very light broth. I'm gonna try the buckwheat noodles. Very light flavor. In general, not a lot of salt. Very mild.
Cold noodles, put them into the hot soup. And now you got yourself a hot cold noodle soup. Exciting.
It's very hearty because it has meat mixture of onion, chives, and I'm guessing it's pork. I'm not quite sure. I think it's pork, right? Okay. So now we have the sausage. Very tender, very soft inside.
Some sauce.
Get my own sauce. I don't want sauce. Because that's a chili bean paste.
So Emmett's been chowing down on that soup. He's really like this. He's liking this North Korean food. But we're gonna try this thing real quick. You ready? So it's the North Korean dumpling. Very big
With your
thing.
hands.
It's much lighter than I expected. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure what the meat is. Most likely, it is probably pork since that's the most popular thing they have in North Korea. But it is very, very light flavor. You wouldn't expect it to be like almost like not enough salt. But that's not bad because you can do it yourself. But it's really yummy. I mean, it makes sense why there's a lot of rice in there. Because they probably didn't have a lot of meat. So you would do like 30% meat, 70% rice. That's what it kind of has inside of it. So it's not bad. It's got a very peppery taste.
I like it.
Very, very peppery taste. Emmett and Arya's been chowing down on that one right there. I'm completely surprised. The North Korean food is actually very good.
You're surprised? Why are you surprised?
I was expecting North
Still in
Korean.
Asia. You're not in like the slums.
I wasn't expecting the North Korean. I wasn't expected to like it this much. How about that? Way more than what I thought. So North Korean food is definitely pretty good. If you're ever in the area, stop by, give it a 5-star rating. North Korean food, you know. Pretty good.